What have I done? Why did I take everything out? Ah! Bro, this sucks. We're going up the Skyway right now. It's pouring. I don't like this. Maybe I should have left the sunroof on, but weight reduction. Oh, this is sketch. I don't like it. Okay, no more recording. I just thought I would show you guys what's good. Wish me luck. All right, let's see if she breaks loose. What the f? Oh, hang on, my fuel pump wire came undone. Come on, car, just, please, just. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? That was very short-lived.
I don't hear any fuel. Rip in the chat.
Come on, man. I was just about ready to. God.
Oh, this page just popped up.
Yeah.
You want to recrimp it?
Not really. I don't feel like fucking working on cars anymore. I just want to drive them. Go in there. Stay in there. That should be good. It's kind of nice not having a passenger seat.
In neutral.
I think that's neutral. What did I just, maybe I burnt the, I don't know, bro. You can go work on your shit while I fix this. And I will let you know when it's running again. I'll just have to look at the fuel pump fuse. Maybe it sparked and blew the fuse. It'll be okay.
All right, boys and girls, so we out here, okay? We are wiring his fuel pump in with no connector. So we're trying to see some skids. Let's go, Nico. I know you'll see this and not know where it came from. Love you, buddy.
Alright, so a day later, and a new crank sensor. Didn't fix the issue. Went through all the wiring, and I finally found this. This is the culprit. So the fusible link that is normally right here just blew somehow. I guess that happens sometimes on these cars. It was really, really hard to trace. I thought I like fried my ECU and it was bad, but yeah, we ended up finding it. So thankfully it was just something stupid like this. And because I can't get one of these ordered in time, just put a fuse to it and it works. So yay. All right, time to go out. Let's go, man. I'm so hyped right now. Just like old times, lining up grid over here. Memories, man. This is the first place I've ever drifted. Back when it was DeSoto Speedway. Now this right here is memories right here. What's up, Dilly? Let's go, bro.
Hopefully it fucking works this time.
Is it just freestyle?
Yeah, you can hit the jump.
Okay, wait, the jump? That's a fresh engine too, man, breaking her in.
This guy's got to have a radiator inside from the entire car.
Oh, she leaking!
Hey, watch out for the jump.
Alrighty. You're good. Thank you. Damn, bro, she was gripped up. It's so much crazier. It's fucking crazy. So much more weight. Gotta make that work. No! I bet a hose or something just came undone. Just unplug said MAF and see what's good. That's still in. That's still chilling. Oh. I think MAF just said no more. Oh, she good. Nope, never mind. I don't know.
The fuck did you do?
Son of a bitch, bro.
What is it?
I don't know.
You want us to just push it? You can push it over.
Yeah.
Alright.
Low key. I appreciate.
Let me put my beer
I'll
down.
figure her out. Oh shit!
Alright.
Not the Mick Ultra.
I'm sorry, I had to
Push!
push!
Push! Push! Alright, we're good right here. It's okay. No need to break your backs, we're good.
My back is just fine.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck happened.
My open one stayed
Dude, we just-
upright. Look at that.
I saw you pull over and I was
You're
like,
like, oh,
what do you
shit.
Yeah. I need to put more air in the tires too, bro. This shit gripped a
welded diff?
It does, yeah.
I could feel it when I was pushing it.
Yeah.
He's like
fucking hell.
It's so bad.
they're like, use all the horsepower. I'm like, that's all the horsepower he has. Like, she makes,
They were saying use all the horsepower?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were saying
Did he not hear the clutch kicks?
He said he's using every ounce of horsepower.
Oh, he said, oh, I thought he said use more horsepower. I'm like, bro, I was trying to use all the
No, he's-
horsepowers.
all you have. That is all he has. Dude,
I think it leaking the fuel and the fuel went on the.
I smell fuel, that's for sure.
That's the fuel right there.
That's just your big ultra.
I think
No,
it
I
definitely
wish it was.
sloshed and fucking got on the connector.
Sipping some
thing.
gasoline.
I think so. I'm gonna let her idle a little bit. She's just shy now, bro. I swear.
Alright.
This is what happens when you cut every fucking wire in the car to save weight. So it finally runs again. Fuel just like sloshed on the connector, which is really safe. And now we just gotta tighten this thing right here. I guess I didn't tighten it all the way, and hopefully that doesn't slosh any more fuel, or maybe I gotta get a new O-ring, but yeah. I think the fuel just got on the connectors because it was being really weird, but now it's started and should be good. And we got these guys here. This is an OG. I don't know if you guys will remember, but this is like my first like popped off video in his EcoBoost. Did you do the car?
I did things.
Okay, obviously.
It's just, you know, it's small turbo. It's just 58 millimeters. Cooler intake and some charge pipes and some blow off valves and an exhaust and some downpipe.
Do you remember that? And then this is Ian. Ian, shout out your channel that's gonna pop out.
More faster, just one word. That's all you need to know.
What the fuck, bro?
Okay, look, it's part of my.
Look at those rear fenders. Rolled to perfection. Look at those. Shit. I love this car so much. It's such a fucking mess. It's so good.
That's why I love it. Because you can just fucking.
Dude, YouTube videos I watch are better. This car is
Dude, this
still
thing just.
running.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Yeah, this thing's a fucking thought.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the previous owner's dead, so.
Damn.
That sounds like a loose end tied up to me, but.
He probably saw one of your videos of fucking croaked.
Yeah,
I'm
and
not
he's
even
like-
gonna lie. He's like, no!
Was it clean when you got
My
it?
car.
No, it's not clean.
Not my car.
I don't think it was even clean when you got it.
It was actually pretty clean. I didn't know about the Bondo though, and it was rebuilt title, so.
This thing wasn't clean when it left the factory.
Yes.
It's finally that time again. This is probably going to be the last run. Doesn't seem like they're doing much drifting tonight. Hopefully it's not as bad. I mean, I added like 10 PSI to the rear, so now they're at like 50. I think it was 48 PSI in the rear. Fuel pump is good now. Hopefully it don't be leaking no more. Yeah, we're just going to do what we got to do, but I don't know. I never thought I would say this, but I think we might need more power now. This cage definitely added some weight, and it's taking a lot more clutch kicks now. Maybe I need a new clutch that'll kind of bite more. That would probably help, and I could run it NA, but you guys have seen this thing run NA for so long now, so we may have to do something pretty soon to keep this thing up to par now with the cage. It's pretty much going full race car now. It is a fight to drive this thing now. What the hell was that fun? Woo! Poor clutch. Oh, that was fun. That was very much fun. Very much enjoyed that. Car didn't break. All right, we are getting somewhere finally. Wiring's pretty much all set. We got